Using guest feedback to improve your Airbnb listing can be incredibly valuable. Start by encouraging guests to leave reviews at the end of their stay with a friendly note, thanking them and asking for their thoughts. Personal interactions during checkout or follow-up messages can also provide valuable insights. Once you receive feedback, look for common themes or repeated comments. Focus on actionable feedback and prioritize safety, cleanliness, and comfort. Address these areas first, as they are essential for a positive guest experience. Enhancing amenities, improving communication, and providing local recommendations can further elevate the guest experience. Some changes can be quick and easy, like adding a coffee maker if guests frequently mention it. Larger projects, such as renovations or new furniture, might take more time and planning, so prioritize based on your budget and feasibility. After making improvements, update your listing description to highlight these changes. This shows potential guests that you're proactive and attentive. When responding to reviews, mention the changes you've made based on feedback to show appreciation and inform future guests. Improving your listing is an ongoing process. Continuously monitor feedback to ensure changes are effective and identify new areas for improvement. Stay updated with Airbnb's hosting standards and guest expectations to stay ahead of potential issues. Using guest feedback effectively can transform your Airbnb listing and enhance the guest experience. By actively seeking, analyzing, and implementing feedback, you show a commitment to quality that can lead to better reviews, higher occupancy rates, and greater success as a host.